Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn more about viewport. Here I want to insert more than one viewport. Okay. Before inserting the viewport, I want to create new layer for viewport. Okay. So what I will do, I will go into the layer panel, and from here I will create new layer and I will name it as a viewport. Okay. Viewport. Then I will give a color to here. Okay. So I want to give, for example, this color, and I will press OK. Then I will make this as a current layer and I will close this one. Now I will insert the viewport. So I will go into the view, and from here I will go into the viewport, and from here I will add new viewport. Okay, and I will select single and I will press OK. Now I will give the first point and the second point. Okay, now you can see this viewport is going to insert. Okay, I will double click here. Now I will just turn off this display grid option. Okay, now I can adjust this viewport as I need. For example, I want to insert more viewport here. First, what I will do, I will adjust these. Okay, so I will double click here and I will adjust this. Okay, for example, I need here. Okay, here. Now I will just adjust this one. I will double click here and I want to show all of three objects here. Okay, all of three objects here. I will click here. Now you can see these are the three objects. I want to insert one more viewport here. So I will go again into the view and I will go into the viewport option, new, and I will select single and I will press OK. Now I will again add one more viewport here. So I will click here and I want to just show here only this side view. Okay, not more than this. Okay, so I will select this one and I will zoom as I need. Okay, again I will click outside to come out of this model space. So again I want to insert two more viewport here. So I will go here in view, I will go into the viewports and in new, and from here I will select two verticals. Okay, and I will press OK. Now I will start from here, I will end up here. Okay, and I want to just show up this front view and rear view also one by one. So I will double click here to show this is the front view. Okay, here, and then I will double click here and I want to show rear view here. Okay, only rear view. This is how you can adjust the viewport. Okay, now if you want to just hide this border, you can hide. That's why I just create a layer. I can just turn off the layer from here. Now you can see this border is going to hide. Now I can just make print. For example, if I want to make print, I will go into the printer and from here I will select the printer and I will go into the preview, and now you can see preview is very good. Okay, so this is how you can adjust the viewport as you need. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.